We out here. Another one. DJ Khaled. This is Super Meat. We got our Eagles in here. We get all of our Subarus. You know, you just gotta hit them up, you know what I'm saying? We keep vibing, man. We keep the vibes. Keep you blessed.